Once upon a time, in a little village nestled between the rolling hills, lived a group of friendly animals. Each day, they would play and laugh together, and every night, they would gather around a warm fire to share stories. One day, Timmy the Tortoise had an idea. "I've been thinking," he said, "why don't we try something new? Let's take turns doing something special each day." The animals agreed, and they named it Your Turn Day. Each day, a different animal would get a chance to do something unique and fun. First, it was Sammy the Squirrel's turn. He showed off his acrobatic tricks, flipping and twirling through the trees. The other animals cheered and clapped, amazed by his agility. Next, it was Betty the butterfly's turn. She painted beautiful patterns on the leaves and flowers, making the village more colorful than ever before. The animals admired her creations and thanked her for her hard work. It was now Lucy the lion's turn. She told stories that captured the hearts of all the animals. Their eyes sparkled with wonder as she spun tales of far-off lands and magical creatures. One by one, each animal had their turn to shine. It brought joy and happiness to the village, and they all looked forward to Your Turn Day every day. One day, it was little Timmy's turn again. He decided it was his turn to do something kind. He shared his watermelon with the thirsty birds and helped the baby bunnies build a new home. The animals were touched by his kindness and grateful for his thoughtfulness. From that day on, the animals continued to take turns, learning from each other, growing together, and making the village an even more special place to live. And whenever they faced a challenge, they would always remember Timmy's words, "It's our turn to help, our turn to make a difference." And so, they lived happily ever after, learning that taking turns was more than just a game. It was a way to bring joy, share kindness, and grow together. The end.